welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Passion and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to measure your head for a mannequin per se, you know, like the styrofoam. The particular one that I'm talking about is not styrofoam. It's made out of material and you can order it on Amazon. So I'm going to be measuring my head so I can get one. So I can make my wigs, you know, custom exactly to fit my head. So I'll be using this tape measure here, and I got this from Walmart. I think it was like $2 something from Walmart. So this is what it looks like. I have my little pen here, and I have a pad here that I'm gonna write my measurements down so I can go and order me one. So yeah, so first I am going to go around the circumference area of my whole head. So I'm gonna put it up here. And I'm not gonna go too tight. I'm gonna drop below my nape area. And I'm gonna go around, make sure it's around my ears. So, as you can see, it's below my nape area. And I'm not gonna put too tight because I don't want my wig to be too tight. And I'm not gonna go on my forehead that much either, because my wig ain't gonna be sitting on my forehead, girl. So, okay, so I'm about a 23. So that is a 23, so I'm gonna hold right here. So circumference, I'm gonna write this down on my pad. The circle of my whole head is 23 inches. And then I'm gonna start back at 1. And then I'm gonna go ear to ear. So right at the top of my ear to the other side of my ear. And I hope you guys can see that. And I'm gonna say that I am a 13.5 right here. Do y'all see that? I'm about a 13.5. So ear to ear is 13.5. And then I am going to do my nape, just the nape of my head in the back. So from here to here. Now I'm gonna hold it right there. And that is a 7. So my nape area is a 7. 7 inches. All right, so my last measurement that I'm gonna do from the forehead to the nape of my head. So I'm starting back at 1 and I'm going right here where my wig will be, not too down here because my frontal, or you know, my mannequin, whatever wig that I make is not gonna be all the way down there. So I'm gonna start right here and I'm gonna go in the middle of my head and straight down to my nape. Oh, sorry y'all, I lost it for a second. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Let me get it together, bro. Okay, so right there. I'm not flicking y'all off, but right there, y'all. So I'm gonna hold that part, and that is 16.5. So from the forehead to the nape, I'm just gonna put front to back, make it easier on myself. It's 16.5. All right, so the main measurements, you guys, is the circumference area around, because you don't want to make your wigs too tight. I've made wigs too tight before. I've sewn them and I've glued them, and I've used the styrofoam. The styrofoam is not customly made. It's not your measurements. It's just for anybody that's buying the $6 styrofoam or $3, however much your styrofoam costs. So that's why some of your wigs don't come out good, at least for mine. A lot of them was too tight. I can't have them on too long. They was cute and all that, or I had to do some extra tweaking and stuff to them because of the styrofoam. It wasn't the right size for me. So the main size that I am trying to get is the circumference and the ear to ear and front to back. Those are the main 3 that I'm trying to get. I showed you guys the nape as well, but the main 3 that I'm trying to get, and you'll see what I'm talking about when you actually go on Amazon or whoever you order the specific mannequin head from, the material one, you'll see that they'll say 23 inches, blah, 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 you know, stuff like that. So if this video was helpful for you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified for my next upload, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.